Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this triangle cowl neck top. I've been getting a tutorial request of it, so I decided to show you guys how to make it, okay? The first thing I have here is my fabric, and the fabric I'm using here is chiffon, okay? You will be need at least 1 yard to be on the safe side. The length I'm working with here is 15 inches, and the width I'm working with here is 28 inches. So this is totally depend on how full you want the cowl neck to be and the length you want it, okay? So the next thing on my lace is the strap. So you'll be needing 4 pieces of strap. You're going to cut 4 pieces of strap. This will serve you as the band, and then the second one is going to serve as the one to your neck that you're going to use it to tie to the neck side, okay? And the length I'm working with here, or rather the width, is 28 inches long, and then the length is 3 inches, and you will be needing 4 pieces of it. So the next thing I will do here, I'm going to go to my sewing machine. I will fold it like so, and I will join it. I will be back. I've gone ahead to join it, and I have pressed it, as you can see. So the next I will show you now how you can place the strap to the bodies of your top. Okay, please pay attention here. All right, so if the video is playing too fast, you can slow it down so that you understand it. I don't want to make the video unnecessarily long, so that is why I'm putting it on a fast forwarding. Okay, so when you come to the front here, make sure you're going to leave 0.5 inches, okay, so that you can be able to join the upper part together. I'll go to my sewing machine now to secure it. So I've gone ahead to secure the strap to the body of my fabric, so that when I'm going to the sewing machine to join to close it, right, it's not going to be moving around. So the next thing I will do here, I'm going to place it like this to cover up the strap inside, and I'm going to pin it. Okay, I will stitch it round, and make sure you're going to leave some opening. You can decide to leave some opening from this side or from the upper here, anyone, but make sure you keep some opening, okay? So right now I'm on my sewing machine. I'm going to start now by joining it with the 0.5-inch allowance. So you're going to join it with 0.5-inch allowance all through. So I should have just escaped this part, but I know a lot of people who want to see the process if you're a beginner. So that is why I'm showing this, okay? I have done stitch this part. Now I'm turning to the second part, which is the upper side here. I'm going to stop stitch, okay? I will be leaving a space of 2 inches so that I can be able to turn it out, turn it to the right side. So now that I'm done stitching it, now I'm going to turn it now to the right side. You see, I leave a space of 2 inches to turn it out, okay? So once I'm done now, I'm going to give it a very good press, which I have done that. To this part where I left some opening here, I'm going to use my hemming gum and fix it inside there, and then the next I will just iron it. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn something from this tutorial. Yeah, I will see you on my next one.